What's going on, you guys? If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It's good for your health. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This your boy Tate. I'm back in the building. For my unboxing videos, there will be absolutely no or none of my voice in those videos. Just straight unboxing, straight to the point. Those are going to be very short videos, as will this video will be short as well. I just wanted to give you guys a better look at the screen protector that I chose that was actually from AT&T. In fact, let me grab that box. I don't know, I like this way better than the pill shape with the dot, or even the one that actually covers up the entire camera. I think long term that is going to be an issue, and I wouldn't advise getting a screen protector that covered up the entire camera lens. Since we've been getting iPhones, we've never had a screen protector that covered up the front facing camera lens or the rear facing camera lens. And if you did, you know long term it's going to start messing with the camera quality. So why start now? Which, of course, if you can see by the box, you can see that it has a cutout that goes around that dynamic island. Pretty cool. So this is the one that I installed instead of the full screen protector, and the one that I think that you will get the most benefit for if you install it as well. Anyway, let me show you how it looks on the phone up close with better lighting now. As you can see, let me unlock the phone here, turn the volume all the way down. I'm actually going to go into some music here, just play Shine or whatever. So when I slide that up to the dynamic island, you don't actually touch the screen anyway. So what you'll do is you'll press right here where you see the song, press and hold. I'm not actually touching that camera lens. I don't have to touch that camera lens at all. Tap it again to go into them, slide it up, goes back into the island. As you can see, this screen protector is, let me take the case off real quick so you guys can get a better look. It covers all the edges, as you guys can see. Pretty decent case. Pretty decent case. All right, okay. Slide over. And there you go. You have that camera cutout right there. Let's see if we can get that light on there. So it's not blocking the camera, front facing camera, so I shouldn't have any issues at all. Maybe if I crack it, I'll just have to hurry up and replace it so, you know, things don't get out of hand. But this is the screen protector that I personally think that you guys should get your hands on to protect your iPhone Pros as far as a circle cutout. But anyway, if you found this useful, subscribe, like, comment. I'm out. Peace.